This is my Sonata wireless microphone. Comes in a small package. Let's open the package. Yeah, you can see here's the mic itself, and here is the dongle which you connect to the port of your phone. Yeah, it's given Type C here, and you get few adapters. So Type C to USB A. You can see, and few more adapters are here. You get a Type C to Lightning for the iPhone and Type C to micro USB, and you get a charging cable here which will be Type C as well. Yes, it's Type C to Type A. Really nice because it's Type C. You don't have to carry around different cable. Yeah, Type C charging. You need to charge the mic, and here is a button, on button. You press it, hold, it will show the indicator. Once it gets paired, it will stop blinking and it will turn to green and it will blink. So you can use different adapters over the dongle. Yeah, you can connect your iPhone. Yeah, just plug and play. Yeah, lock iPhone to use accessories. Nice. It recognize, and you can use this directly in your Android phone instead of any adapter. Yeah, so that's easy to use. Just plug and play. You can use Type C charging cable to charge this mic here. So let's test voice sample. Okay, now it's connected. As you can see, stop it now. Let's test the mic. Now you're hearing through the wireless mic. I hope it's clear. It is having noise cancellation and up to 20 meters of reception. This is audio. Yeah, clear tempo, widely compatible. Yes, really nice. And the best thing is it's affordable. So that's the main selling point of this wireless microphone. It's affordable, and vloggers and YouTubers and those beginners can really make use of this microphone because it's affordable and the clarity is good. Voice samples are really nice. So that's all about Sonata Gold wireless microphone.